Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm an RA in 1838 Chicago, and I live in a single on the third floor. Something I like about 1838 Chicago is the convenience. So we have a fitness center right in the basement. Allison Dining Hall is just a few steps away, and so is the Shepherd Engagement Center. Now let me show you my room. Included in every room is a bed, a set of drawers, a desk, a dresser, and a nightstand. My favorite location in the building outside of my room is the fitness center. It's really convenient, especially in the winter, to just be able to come downstairs and work out. In the fitness center, we have treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, a weight rack, and some yoga mats. Thanks for stopping by.
My name is McKenna Lanter, and I'm a senior majoring in human communication sciences and minoring in psychology. I'm also an RA here in Foster Walker. Foster Walker, lovingly known as Plex to residents here on campus, is the largest building in the Southwest residential area. We have exclusively single rooms that house both first years as well as returning students, and we have 2 dining halls, a really big basement lounge with a ping pong table, pool table, anything that suits your fancy. We even have the packaging center for South Campus, so it's a great place to live. Now let me show you my room. Here in Foster Walker, all rooms come with a twin XL bed. You get 1 wastebasket and 1 recycling bin, a desk and a really nice rocking chair. Everybody has an exposed brick wall as part of their room, which I think is awesome, and you have lots of wall space to decorate with all the decorations you could want. All rooms also come with an armoire and 2 sets of under the bed drawers, so there's plenty of storage for all of your clothes and shoes. Plex is home to 2 of the best dining halls on campus, Plex East and Plex West. In Plex East, you can have stir fry for lunch and dinner every day if you'd like, and there's a pure eat station for people who have food allergies. Plex West is one of 2 dining halls on campus that offers late night dining till 10 p.m. You can also use your dining dollars, which are part of your open access meal plan, in the Plex C-store, where you can buy snacks, quick food items to make, and cleaning supplies with your dining dollars. Thanks for stopping by!
Hi, I'm Alexia and I'm a journalism major.
I'm Maddie and I'm majoring in cognitive science, and we're freshmen living in Bob McCulloch Hall.
We live in a typical double room. Let's show you inside. Included in each room is a twin extra-long bed, desk, chair, and dresser for each resident.
My favorite part of McCulloch Hall is the lounge. There's tons of seating and space to do work, and it's really easy to socialize and meet people here, and you can form a really great community.
Another cool thing about Bob is that we're the only dorm with 2 basketball courts on the outside. Thanks for stopping by.